welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making my own birthday cake. So it is my birthday this week, so happy birthday to me, and let's get started.
This is a 4-inch Oreo cake filled and frosted with chocolate Swiss meringue buttercream. I cleaned up the cake board. I rolled out some pink fondant and covered the cake with it. I smoothed it on with my fondant smoother in my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. I rolled out some purple fondant and cut out the numbers 4 and 3 and placed them on the cake to make the number 43, which is how old I am now. Then I rolled out some raspberry colored fondant and cut out a million flowers, placing them all over the cake, starting with the cracks in the base fondant. I also placed small flowers all along the bottom of the cake. Then I rolled out some white fondant and made some more flowers. I made a few bows with purple and placed them on top of the cake. Then I rolled out the purple fondant and cut out some tiny flowers, using them to be the centers of the larger flowers. I love how this cake turned out. It's really pretty and just what I wanted it to be. Happy birthday to me! For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more cakes.